Now we have 4 questions again to simplify, applying the various laws of logarithm. We have the addition law, the subtraction law, the power law. We have the law that covers the same base, the same power, same base, same number, and the logarithm of any number of 1 to any base is equal to 0. Now we have these questions, and we are yet to simplify it. So you can pause the video right now and give it a try. So let's solve together now. Log 12, let's begin with number 1. Log 12 minus log 3 divided by log 8. Now, the numerator now shows that we are going to apply the subtraction law. Okay, so when we apply the subtraction law to the numerator, we have log 12 divided by 3 because they have the same base, 10 base 10 base 10 also. All right, and the denominator will remain log 8. Now log 12 now divided by 3, that's log 4 divided by log 8. Now we can rewrite log 4 in its sense as log raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2, and we can rewrite log 8 as 2 raised to the power of 3. So if we continue in that order and we apply our power law, 2 comes to the back, 3 also comes to the back as scalar multipliers, and this will become log 2 divided by 3 log 2, and this will become 2 divided by 3 because log 2 and log 2 will nullify each other. Now let's continue again with 1 plus log 3. 1 plus log 3. This is here to give us the idea of these questions. 1 plus log 3, 1 minus log 5, 2 minus 2 log 5 is there to emphasize on the last law that we did. Log of the same base, the same number is equals to 1. So we can see now that this is to base 10. Okay, so therefore we can rewrite 1. We are considering base 10 to be log 10 to base 10. Okay, so therefore we can now say that 1 plus log 3 to base 10 is the same thing as log 10 to base 10, which is the same thing as 1 plus log 3 to base 10. Now this is easy now, it's straightforward. We have the same base, and then we have the addition sign which following. So this is the addition law, and the result therefore will just be the multiplication of the numbers. So it will be log 10 to 10 multiplied by 3, and this will give us log 30 to base 10. All right, so let's take next question that says 1 minus log 5. 1 minus log 5. Also 1 in this case is also what? Log 10 to base 10. So 1 minus log 5, because this is base 10, if this was given to be in base 2, okay, if we are considering base 2 now, what we'll be having is that this one, okay, we'll take this as base 10 for now. Then our next question will be, let's say, base 2. So this will be log 10 to base 10 minus log 5 to base 10. So this brings us to the subtraction law. So this will be log 10 divided by 5 to base 10, and this will be log 2 to base 10. Now what if it is not base 10? So let's say we have 1 plus log 2 to base 4. Okay, log 4 to base 2 rather. So we are dealing with base 2 in this case now. Therefore our 1 in this case will be what? Log 2 to base 2. Okay, this follows the last law that we discussed, that when we have the same number and the same base, it will be equals to 1. So therefore 1 plus log 2 to base log 4 to base 2, then we will write our 1, okay, to give us log 2 to base 2 and this will give us log 4 to base 2. Now therefore we can now apply our multiplication law here. Okay, our multiplication law, or sorry, our addition law, which says we can solve this two ways. We can simplify log 4 to base 2 to give us log 2 raised to the power 2 to base 2, and then we add together and then we simplify. However, just for the sake of following the same order, this will give us log 2 multiplied by 4 to base 2, log 8 to base 2. And also log 8 can be simplified further as log 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay, this is not question 4 per se, it's just an asterisk. And this will be 3 log 2 to base 2, and since it's the same base, same number, it will be 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3. Now we can also solve these again in another format. This is 1 plus log 4 to base 2. Now we can say the diversity is of log simplification. So this will be 1 plus our log 4 to base 2 can be written as log 2 raised to the power 2 to base 2, and this, if you apply the power law to this, it will be 1 plus 2 log 2 to base 2. Now same log, same base, same power, this will be equals to 1, so this will be 1 plus 2 into 1, and that is 3. Remember, we can still resolve this in another format, and then it continues like that. So the main focus of these two questions is that when we have an expression 1, we can rewrite it as log 10 to base 10 based on the base that we are simplifying. Okay, now let's take question 4 now. Question 4 says 2 minus 2 log 5. Now it is base 10, but now in this case we are just having 2, we are not having 1. Okay, so if 1 is log 10 to base 10, then 2 therefore will be 2 log 10 to base 10, right? Yes, so we can now rewrite this 2 minus 2 log 5 to base 10, which will be equals to 2 log 10 to base 10 minus 2 log 10 to base 5. Now let's apply our power law to this. Remember from our power law that log p raised to the power of n to base b is equals to n log p to base b. So applying our power law here now, we have it to give us log 10 raised to the power 2 to base 10 minus log 5 raised to the power 2 to base 10. Because we cannot add log 10 to base 10 and log 5 to base 10 together, though they are of the same base, it cannot be subtracted or added together. So this will give us log 100 to base 10 minus log 25 to base 10. Let's rewrite that. And here now we can apply our subtraction law that says log p over q to base b is equals to log p to base b minus log q to base b. So if you continue in that order now, we have this to be log 100 divided by 25 all to base what? To base 10. Now this will give us log 4 because 100 divided by 25 is 4 to base 10. So this brings the solution to 2 minus 2 log 10 base 5. Now just as a question to just take and try to solve this on your own. So we'll have, I'll give you one question: 3 log 2 plus log 20 minus log 1.6. This is very simple, and I believe you'll be able to resolve this. So we'll just take this as a power, apply the addition law to this, and then the result of this apply it as the subtraction law to this. So I won't be solving this. because I believe you are going to get it. So in our next video, we'll be taking a look at the solving logarithm equations.